Hello guys, welcome to a new day of trading. Today is the 12th of September and it is day 8 into my trading journey. So we're gonna do, as always, scan the stocks. First of all, we have a look what is doing the SPY, the market, SP 500. So yesterday we had a strong move up after a pullback on the 8 MA 2 days ago. So that means now we are reaching some resistance here. This is the highest highs in all the time of the SP 500. So we might have some resistance here. So we need to be careful not to take too much and not to ask too much for the prices. Okay. So what does it mean? If I mean I want to take small operations, not big ones, okay, I don't want to expect the price to do like $8, right? Okay, so let's scan through the stocks we have here. So Apple, what do we see? Apple, we are very up. We are above resistance on the daily chart, so that means it's good. Yesterday we had like strong move up, so maybe today we're gonna have some pullback. We don't know. The last day price close was quite flat, so it's good. The 200 is a bit too steep, but yeah, it's how it is. So we'll take Apple. It looks okay. The Fab4, because Fab4 you take the last value of the 200, last value of the 20, and pre-order day close and the last price data, which is more or less a box like this. So it's not too wide, even though the 200 is a bit steep, but we rested somehow yesterday, so it's still okay. Okay, so for long Apple, I will put 2 stars. Okay, then Adobe. What are we doing here? So we are gapping up on the downtrend after so we might do like a buy sell setup, sorry, on the daily chart. So I don't like this chart for long position. Maybe I'm wrong, but maybe not. So I will try to find other things. Okay, Citibank, what are we doing? Citibank, we gapping down after Fab4 narrow, so that's good if the market goes down. So for short call, I will like C. 1 second. Sorry. Okay. Cost, I don't really like it. It's too expensive. Don't like very expensive stuff. Yeah. Okay, Cisco, what are we doing? Gapping up. We did some kind of pullback on the daily chart. We have some room until we reach the 200 period on the daily chart, so we might take this one. Here it's pretty fat, so it's okay. CSCO plus 2 stars for this one. Disney, what are we doing? Fab4, don't like it, so skip it right away. eBay, we still don't know, it's too early. We have 90 cents. I will put eBay as short with 1 star, but don't trust it. Okay, Expedia, we still don't know what we are doing here, but if we gap up, Fab4 looks nice, so we'll put on my list. Okay, Facebook, Facebook gapping up. We are approaching resistance at 891. Fab4 are a bit wide. I don't really like them, so we'll skip Facebook today. Yield, What are we doing in Guild? I don't like Fab4, skip right away. HAL, don't like Fab4, skip right away. HP, I don't like stocks that move 1 cent in one direction, 1 cent the other, so skip it now. Intel gapping up. Oh, yesterday we did a massive move up, so we're putting resistance here, so I don't like the daily chart. Don't really like the daily chart. I will put Intel as 1 star. Maybe if we break the high, we can have some acceleration, but we are very extended on daily chart. Very extended, so I don't really like that. Well, let's see. Put 1 star in Intel. JD don't like Fab4. Juniper, we don't know. This is crazy. The spread is like $3. Okay, JP Morgan's we are gapping down. Oh, this is amazing. So strong move up, gapping down. Fab4 not that nice, but still narrow. Okay, so JP Morgan's for short can be interesting. Okay, low. Don't like Fab4, LVS. We're gapping above 200 on the daily. Yesterday we tried to do some, I don't know. Fab4 looks nice, so let's take it. Put 1 star. Momo gapping up, some room to go to the next highest point. We are in an uptrend on daily chart. Fab4 are not that narrow, but not that bad too. The 200 is mostly flat, so we put Momo as 1.5 stars. Okay, Moss, what are we doing? Moss gapping up after a move. The question is how high it can go. Cannot stay like this forever. So Fab4 doesn't look that nice, so we'll skip this one. MS gapping down, but there is a 200 in the way down. On the daily chart, Fab4 are okay. Fab4 okay. Wow. I don't know. Don't really like Fab4. Skip it now. Microsoft gap up. Oh, that looks okay. After rejection here, gap up. So Microsoft is 2 stars. 1, 2. MU. Yesterday we had a strong move up at the beginning of the day. Then we stabilized and we are in a high, so maybe today we're gonna have some pullback. Why is not showing a price? Shorting in interactive broker is not the best. No, didn't show a price. Well, anyway. Netflix, what are we doing with Netflix? Netflix is too expensive. I don't really like Netflix. Don't like too much expensive stuff. Nike, we're gapping up after pullback, so that's cool. 2 stars on Nike. Oh, we need to hurry up. Nvidia don't like Fab4, don't like the daily. Oracle gapping down. That's cool for a short, maybe two bit down. Yeah, maybe for long as well. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, Pepsi, Fab4, okay. We don't have much room to go higher. It's just $2. But it's okay. Okay, 1 star Pepsi, and last one. What we can do? Qcom looks better. Qcom 2 stars. Okay, now I start to fill the charts because I need to hurry up. Only 5 minutes left. So 2 stars we have AAPL. Yeah. Okay, we have Cisco. Then we have Microsoft. Then we have Nike. Then we have Qcom. And we have Momo. And here let's put some short. So we have C for short. JP Morgan's, and we said that Oracle might be a short or long, so we'll put here. Okay, now let's fill that list. Ah, shit. Come on. Delete row, where is it? Okay, then we have CSO. And then we have MSFT. Four minutes, so we are good. Qcom. Then Momo. Then C. JP Morgan's. Boom! That's it. So, the best looking one. Which one you said was the best one? I like Cisco, but steep 200. Nike looks okay as well. How was the daily chart of Nike? I don't remember. No, I will put Nike as the first one. Okay, let's put Nike here. So now each bar is 5 cents. Let's take my orders here and let's put that a bit smaller, like this. Does this fit the price or no? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Okay, I don't want to enter in a bar which is like this one. This one is a bit too big. How much was this bar? 50 cents, 60 cents, more or less. Yeah. No, sorry, it was 40 cents. Okay, so ideally I would like to see a bar which is 2 or 3. to, yeah, 30 cent maximum. 30 cent is 30 shares. And the last day data, it's flat. I like it. Like it. Like it. What are we doing on the SPY? We might pull back because yesterday was a move up, so we don't know. Okay, let's stay prepared. 1 minute to go. So today, as always, risk per trade is around $10. Maximum loss per day is $30. And now I have two strategies: the 2-minute one and the entering in the power on the breaks. So if you don't know what I'm saying, I did a video which is in Spanish. So if you don't speak Spanish, you can translate it with Google, with YouTube, sorry. And this video, I explain the two strategies. So I will put that on the YouTube channel today. So after this video normally. Okay, let's concentrate. So yesterday we lost $10. I entered also on the operation and I would have made $20, but I pressed the wrong key on my keyboard. Instead of buying 100 shares, I just bought 10. So I closed the trade because it was useless. Okay, looking at the graph, which one looks better? Oracle looks good for long. Apple looks good as well for long if it breaks above high. Actually, Apple looks better, so I will choose Apple because stop is small. Okay, what are we doing? We're pulling back. The market is going up. 1 minute. So if I have to enter in Apple, it will be like with, wow, this is $2. No, that's crazy. Not possible. No, it's $1. So $1 stop is 10 shares. Wow. Where is, oh, Nike is too big. Okay, there is nothing here. Nothing today. Yeah, okay, nothing around. Wow, that's crazy. Everything is going down. Prepare entering in Apple. So okay, enter in Apple with 20 shares. Come to Papi. That's not going to make it. Don't feel it. Oh, I don't think it's going to make it. I enter a bit earlier because I didn't want it to have that big stop, and in any case, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So here I don't think it will work. Anyway, that's part of the game. Market is up. Shit, everything is pulling back. Well, that's it. We are almost out. Yeah, out. Minus 12 bucks. Oh, that's a shame. Don't tell me now we're going up. Okay, let's try to look for another entry. Well, Momo is crushing like hell. So we don't have any more opportunities at the moment. On the second strategy, I need to see some power. So there is some strong power in Momo, but we already dropped a lot, so that means it's over. I don't want to enter now. Apple might go to upside, but we don't know. Everything is going down tomorrow, today. So the second plan is to enter after seeing the power inside break. So we use, for example, a candle on from the other color, which is small, and candle has been broken to enter. Like I said, on Apple the 200 was too steep, so maybe this is a mistake that I do. I should not look to this kind of stock. maybe Microsoft will have been a better option. I mean, now it's not working, but at least the Fab 4 are looking nice. So yeah, for now we are in positive position, but with a negative color, so the power is on the red side. So it means for now I cannot take anything in operations. See, if at 10 I have nothing, then I leave. So yeah, we cannot win every day. Yesterday I lost, today I lose as well. I mean, yesterday I should have had at least one day of I should have had being a profitable day yesterday. Oh, on Oracle there is no a small break. It's not small. Okay, it's not small. What the market is doing? Nothing. Here there's double tails. That's good, but it's not part of the play yet. So I know double tails are good, but I don't want to enter here. Let's wait. Yeah, Apple. Yeah. We had some profit taking today, so it's not weird that we didn't go up right away. That's unfortunate because my target was quite close. I mean, it was above round number, so it was also a different support. But yeah, what else can you do? Now let's wait if we see some power somewhere. So there is power in Momo, but like I said, Momo already went down too much. Yeah, you see Oracle, we could have entered here, we'll be profitable. Yeah, shame. Shame. So now, for now, the power on Apple is on the red side. Oh, C and JP Morgan's are coming back to live. Cisco dropping. Well, tricky morning today. Tricky morning. We also have a different opportunity on Oracle, but we already are very far from the 200, so I don't want to take it. Maybe I'm wrong. The first one would have been okay. I don't know what I thought when I look at this, because there were two candles. You see on Oracle. Where is Oracle? We could have entered in this small candle here. This is how much is 20 cents? Yeah, so 20 cents top is 50 shares. We could have entered here. Anyway, now this one is too big. Well, Apple doesn't look okay, to be honest. So 15 minutes to wait still. Microsoft, strong Microsoft. So the key here is to remain calm. We lost 10 bucks, it's nothing. We know the probabilities of our game, so don't rush anything. If we don't see anything clear, just don't do anything. So Apple will still continue to go down, so don't think we're gonna go up one day. I mean, yet. So Apple, there is no strength of power, and I think we are approaching now first half an hour of the aperture. We did some kind of well on Apple. Cisco, we definitely have a well yet. On Microsoft, we have well also. So it means now I don't enter anymore. I don't think so, unless I have something weird happening. C, we have a well as well. JP Morgan's, we have, I don't know if we can consider this as a well. Well, guys, that's unfortunate. I lost today again. I mean, I won 4 times in a row, so don't expect to win every day. Okay, Microsoft was a false alarm. Fuck, Microsoft was the best odds to go up. I did a nice thing on the daily chart. Where is Microsoft? Oh no, daily chart. Yeah, daily chart was looking okay. So, okay, now I have 10 minutes more. I don't think we're gonna get an entry, maybe on the short side. But short side, which colors do I like? Yeah, QCOM, we could have entered here. That was a good entry. We missed it. Maybe I should put my charts a bit bigger to see the candles. Okay, we'll call it a day in 5 minutes if I don't see something nice happening. And I don't think I will, because I missed already all the opportunities. You see, this opportunity oracle was very good. This one on QCOM as well. Missed it. Yeah, I don't want to have a long side here now, because there is too much power on the downside. So Cisco, yeah, thing is too wide, 10 cent, or it dropped a lot. Maybe Oracle, another one. We are far away. Oracle. How much is this bar? 36 cents. No, that's crazy. No. It can go lower, but 36 cents is way too much. See here, Facebook? But I don't take this play. This is not a play that I can take. It's on the positive position, so I will not take it. Instead of talking, I should look more, maybe something else. No. Okay, Momo. Momo, what are we doing here? This is how much does it cost? This candle, 22 cents. We already dropped $2 on Momo. You cannot expect to go much more lower. Even if we're not very far from 200, but you see the drop start there. So, of course, we can continue to go down. But what are the odds? See, even if we had took this candle, which is 20 cents, we will still not be winning yet. Or maybe yes. But just barely winning. Well, it's finished on Apple, I think. On QCOM as well. And on Momo, we had the double whale, which is probably finished. Okay, tricky morning today, but that's the game. Microsoft would have given a nice entry here if this would be in negative position. This is how much is this? Is 20-cent stop. Yeah. This in negative position, I will enter here. But we are not in negative position, so that's not part of the plan. And everything we have in negative position now, they don't look nice. So we have C and JP Morgan's, they don't look nice. Oracle looks, the well is finished. So oh, 55, no signs of anything. So let's call it a day. Ciao, guys. You see, I respected my plan. The stop was a bit tight on Apple, but I knew that, but I knew also like I had to take the profit soon because we were extended on the daily chart, so didn't want it to have like a too big target, too high target. So yeah, that's why I enter with a small stop, which is not necessarily part of my plan either, but it's, yeah, more or less. Anyway, you see, it will not have worked. Okay, guys, see you next time. See you tomorrow, hopefully, and hopefully tomorrow will be a better day than today. Ciao.